Alright, what's going on, guys? Jay, that dream day.
Why are you asking me questions when you should be out looking for my
So, holding water. These units are back to back. There's two units here. So the problem is most likely just inside the T. So, just inside the wall, there is a T. We're probably not going to be able to open up that clean out cap because it looks like it's pretty bad shape. So we're going to open up the P-trap here. So, like I said, inside the wall there's a T, so we got to get it to drop down. I did have a drop head on this cable, but it broke off, so I just needed to get a replacement cable. But you guys can see the bend on the cable, right? So that's what we're going to go in, force it down. Always keep it in the right position. So we've got the resistance, and we're just gonna force it through that T. Now, just to verify, I'm gonna take my flashlight, shine it in there to see that we went down. Sometimes you have that option to do that if you have the option or opportunity, whatever. So I can see that it is gone down. Doubt you guys will be able to see this, but you might be able to see that it's dropped down. Like, it is holding water, but I don't know. So anyway, no big deal that way. We know it is. So I'm hoping that the problem is right here and not far down below, because if it is far down below, we will have to bring in the bigger machine. So you guys can see the cable just falling down, right? So Again, I'm going to shine my light down. Okay. I can see the water's all gone.
Michael, with the amount of hair we found at your place, you're looking at a mandatory 10 years. The thing is, we don't care about the dope right now. All we care about is... I don't know where that white girl is.
You guys can see it's just black grease.
Maybe last week he got 5 bundles with that fake ass paper.
So we're gonna put the trap arm back together.
He had some real bills on his house. But legit, I ain't thinking some evidence here. This scrubbed up white boy like him would try to run a game on me.
You guys know we use the Milwaukee M12 and we got the Milwaukee brushless impact that we're using.
I swear. If she was there, I see it.
I'm just gonna tighten everything up.
We'll see it. Oh, Sarah.
Alright. Now we will fill the sinks.
Tell us what you remember.
You're trying to stand by yourself.
We took a shortcut on the way.
That's
To avoid traffic. Alright, Nathan, stop right there. If you want to sneak in up in South Austin, you were there about you know,
So just tell us what happened.
Okay.
told her to wait.
Put the paper towel in because we're gonna fill the sinks both sides. While this is filling up, I'm just going to do a quick clean. See if we can get a whirlpool going. Awesome. There you go, guys. I want to thank you for watching. If you guys liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. And until next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy, signing out. Let that drain cleared at rocket speed. Taragna.